The Atlantis Azores is a dedicated blue water dive yacht strategically positioned to provide remote, spectacular diving throughout the Philippines' 7,000 plus islands. The Visayas offer some of the most beautiful and biodiverse regions in Asia. Fresher sharks, world-class critters, reefs and walls, all in one itinerary. Southern Leyte boasts the most gorgeous drop-offs and walls, all teeming with life. And yes, whale sharks. Multiple opportunities to interact with these gentle giants. Tubataha is at the center of the Coral Triangle, home of hundreds of species of fish, hundreds of corals, 11 species of sharks, 12 kinds of dolphins and whales, green sea turtle, hawksbill, the list goes on. Atlantis Azores welcomes you to a first-class adventure within the Philippines' incredible island chain. Come as a guest, leave as a friend.